Hello, I am Saurav, and I'm happy to briefly introduce, on behalf of my co-authors, our interdisciplinary tutorial proposal entitled Cognitive Psychology Meets Data Management, State of the Art and Future Direction. The key components of a DBMS can be classified into two categories, namely human oblivious and human-centric components. The storage manager, query processor, and transaction manager are under the hood components of any DBMS and hence largely human oblivious, as they do not typically require direct interaction with end users during their usage. On the other hand, data definition and data manipulation language frameworks like SQL, Cypher, PGQL may directly involve users and hence are human-centric. Specifically, queries may often be formulated by humans in visual or textual form, or their results are directly consumed by humans. Consequently, the design of human-centric components of a DBMS needs to be cognizant of how users think and process information. This has led to several research efforts since the last decade on psychology theory-informed design of querying frameworks where theories from cognitive psychology, in addition to the theories from computer science, are explicitly used to guide their design. This tutorial is a primer to the important but understudied topic of psychology theory-informed design of data management techniques and frameworks. A hallmark of this tutorial is to emphasize research that aims to bridge traditionally independent fields, namely data management and psychology. Specifically, we review techniques and frameworks in the arena of database querying that explicitly utilize cognitive psychology theories in their design and understanding. Querying is a key activity in any data management system. Any querying framework primarily involves three tasks, namely query formulation, query processing, and results presentation. Among them, the design of platforms to support query formulation and result presentation is amenable to the influence of cognitive psychology theories. We focus on cognitive psychology theories that have been introduced in the literature in the context of these tasks, namely Gestalt principles, cognitive load theory, Berlin's aesthetic theory, interference theory, and interruption theory. Our presentation follows a top-down approach, starting from the notion of psychology theory-informed design to relevant theories of cognitive psychology that influence the design of existing data management techniques, proceeding to the review of various cognitive psychology theory-informed design of database querying tools and techniques, and concluding with future research directions in this arena. For instance, several works have demonstrated that query languages such as SQL is difficult to learn. The cognitive load associated with SQL and its impact on accuracy has been investigated by several works. To address some of these challenges, we review visualization of SQL and property graph queries whose design are informed by various cognitive psychology theories such as Gestalt principles, Berlin's aesthetic theory, and cognitive load theory. Visual query interfaces for time series and graphs enable end users to visually formulate a variety of queries by leveraging direct manipulation. In particular, existing work for visual graph query interface design focuses on utilizing cognitive psychology theories to select and position various items such as pattern graph of an interface to facilitate more efficient and effective query formulation. Scant attention has been given by the data management community on how query results can be presented to consumers to minimize adverse cognitive impact. For instance, large graphs looks like a hairball in any visual interface, and it becomes cognitively challenging to visualize and explore query results on them. We review research efforts undertaken by the visualizing community that attempt to understand cognitive load imposed by graph visualization models for performing different such tasks. In summary, this tutorial review work that bridge two independent fields, namely data management and cognitive psychology. The target audience are researchers and practitioners interested in designing solutions to data management frameworks where humans are data producers or consumers. We hope that the interdisciplinary tutorial will facilitate the audience to think and learn about the role of cognitive psychology theories that can play in designing superior data management solutions. Thank you for your attention.